Okay, batteries died, so I went and asked somebody if it was called a frog, and they said part of it is, I guess the part you clean out is the frog. But anyway, that's the best I can do to explain about horses currently. Anyway, I thought I'd show you other parts of the farm. While I have a few minutes, I'm going to go and show you an area that I built a couple years ago. It's a pond area. I don't know if there's water in it yet. We haven't run the irrigation, but it's where chorus frogs live. And I'll show you, this is the garden area. We're still working on planting. Actually, my daughter is. This is the area I call the meadow. Where'd my dog go? I gotta make sure he's close by. He can disappear real quick. There he is. Yeah, stay by me. Yeah, this is a cool area. This is, I think, a 1931 Chevy Coupe. I use it for yard art now. Yeah. This is the pond. It is almost dried up, but there's a little water in there. If it's warm today, the frogs, you'll hear the frogs. This is what I call the beach. It's kind of been inundated with grass, and I haven't cleaned it up yet. My horse business is a one-man show, so I only have so much time. This is a patio area. It doesn't look like much, but underneath this is stone. It's actually pretty cool in the summertime. Eventually I'll get it clean. I built this pond, it used to be twice the size, and I filled it in. And this is an island that still exists on the beach. I'm sorry, on the island. I'm sorry, in the middle of the pond. Eventually I'll get it. It's really cool. It'd be cooler if it was all cleaned up, but it's okay. There's a statue here I wanted to see, because the statue is going to go in another area that I'll show you later. Yeah, that's a great statue. Used to be on that statue, but weather caused it to crumble, so I took the statue off so that it wasn't damaged. I collected old gates at one time. Anyway, if this was all cleaned and cleared, I have the table and chairs and a dog named Bo somewhere. Funny dog. Anyway, and I have a statue that I have out in the middle of the pond that spews water when I turn it on. There's the statue. It's a boy holding a goose. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, and this is an old fence that I tore out of a building before they demolished it and sent it to the dump. It's a fabricated fence from probably the circa 1920s. It's about 12 feet long. Anyway, it's kind of cool. And I have a bench that was given to me by a friend with 2 horses. We'll see what this year brings, that I can get things cleaned up and in order. There's a boat. It's a styrofoam boat somebody gave me a few years ago. Anyway, back up to the mainland. One day I'll show you the greenhouses and what we grow in there. Actually, my son grow in there. I got him in the butterfly business a few years back. So they grow plants for butterflies, like monarchs, red admirals, painted ladies. That food comes from somewhere else. Cabbage whites, yellow sulfurs. One day I'll talk to you about how this tree talked to me one day and had a very profound conversation with the tree. It's Grandmother Willow is what I call her, even if I'm older than she is. She gave me some good advice that I still live to this day. Yeah. Anyway, we'll walk back out. A birdhouse I need to fix. Yeah. All right. Almost there. Well, Bo's excited. He'll be excited for the walk too. Well, actually, he'll run. I'll ride. I am going to borrow a bike. I'm going to borrow the kids' cousin's bike. You ready to go? Alright, let's turn this on. Maybe. Oh. No. It won't turn on until I turn it on with the key. Alright. Now we got it. We'll go for a short run. I have a school I go to. It's a neuroplasticity school. At least that's what I know of it as. To build new neurons in my head. I'm hoping it will build new neurons to create different patterns between my right hemisphere and my left hemisphere of my brain. But we'll talk about that another day too. Let's go. Sure, nobody's coming. There we go. Let's go. nice. Alright. I'll go get a drink of water. Let's go. Alright, well, we made it back. So for now, see you later. Bye.